A layman sees the ball as having a diameter of approximately 30 millimeters. It looks pretty round and the surface appears perfectly smooth, doesn't it? If this ball is to do its job as part of a complex machine or a car, such a superficial approach is inadequate. Welcome to the world of Mahr. Mahr sees the ball as having a diameter of 29.9981 millimeters. It is almost perfectly round, but there's a deviation of 3 micrometers. And what about its surface? The surface roughness is approximately 0.03 micrometers, just about acceptable for use as a ball in a wheel bearing. If the ball were the size of the Earth, it would be covered with hills 13.1812 meters high. Thanks to its dimensional metrology, high-precision rotary stroke bearings, and gear pumps, Mahr is a byword for maximum precision. Mahr's main market is the automotive industry and its suppliers. Even Formula One teams such as Toyota, Ferrari, and Williams BMW use precise Mahr metrology. In the US, NASCAR champion Tony Stewart is sponsored by Mahr and its measuring instruments. One of the reasons he's a champion is because with the help of Mahr measuring instruments, the surface properties of the pistons and cylinders in his car engines can be tuned so finely that there is minimal friction, but sufficient lubricant remains. Naturally, the same things apply to mechanical and plant engineering as to automotive engineering. Mahr metrology keeps things moving. For example, at aircraft engine manufacturer MTU, where surface measuring instruments are used for tasks such as detecting microscopic cracks on turbine buckets, ensuring safety in the sky. Mahr is also very much involved in the medical technology industry. Mahr runs marathons for this industry, figuratively speaking at least. Doctors use Mahr surface metrology to measure artificial hip joints with amazing results. One amateur athlete who has had a hip replacement completes the 78.5-kilometer course of the world's greatest ultra-mountain run at Pizkesh. The artificial hip copes with around 20 million shifts of weight each year. Producing spacesuit fabric is just one application of Mahr's high-precision gear pumps. And Mahr's high-precision rotary stroke bearings are used, among other things, to align the mirror of the SOHO space telescope. The high-tech company Mahr was founded back in 1861, and its innovations are based on a long tradition and a rich vein of experience. With its 1,600 employees, Mahr is currently one of the world's leading suppliers of dimensional metrology and generates annual sales of around 170 million euros. Mahr measuring instruments speak a universal language understood by engineers the world over. We are proud to be able to say, the world speaks Mahr.